Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up the voice of your audiobook when you're listening to it on the Audible Mac app. And basically I've logged into Audible right here, and if you want to listen to an audiobook, go over to library and then select your audiobook. I've selected Brain Over Binge and press this button on the bottom row, and that's going to open up the listening page. And then from there you basically got this toggle button. It's 1.7x speed button on the bottom left. Press that, and then that's actually going to give you the option to either speed up or slow down the voice on Audible. And what you can do is either press the plus icon on the right hand side, and that's going to speed up the audiobook by increments of 0.05, or you can press the minus icon and it's going to slow the audiobook down by increments of 0.05 as well. And also on the bottom row, there's pre-selected buttons that you can actually press and either increase the speed or slow down the speed of the audiobook from there. So guys, if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.